Good morning, my dear students. I am Jerry Wheeler, your economics teacher for class 12th, and today I am going to teach you numerical questions of national income. So, today we will solve the questions which I have given you in home assignment. So, just check the first question. I have given the first question that from the following data, estimate or you can say calculate national income. What we call the national income? NNP at FC, net national product at factor cost. Now, first item which is given to us is net domestic product at market price. It means what is given to us? Net domestic product at market price. It means we were given NDP at MP. How much? 900 crores rupees in crores it is given. So 900 crores. Then net indirect tax is given 400 crore. Factor income paid to abroad 25 crore. Consumption of fixed capital. Now what is consumption of fixed capital? If you remember, I have told you about depreciation, and that time I have told you some other names of depreciation. Under those names, one name was consumption of fixed capital. So consumption of fixed capital is nothing but it is depreciation only. I am writing DAP short form here. It is 200 crore was given, and then at last factor income received from abroad rupees 40 crores. Now we have to find out what NNP at FC, which means national income only. Okay, so just find out, just check here. So first we will write what is given to us and what we have to find out, and then we will find out the formula which we have to put here. Now what is given to us? Just check. NDP at MP is given to us. Where? Just see here. NDP at MP is given how much? This one, 900 crore. And we have to find what? NNP at FC. So we have to find NNP at FC. Now just check what is already we are having. So this N and this N, they both are same here. So we don't need to convert anything here. So now we need to convert this D into N. This D, as you can see here, this D we need to convert into N. Now what is this N? Now you have learned that in second place what comes? Either domestic or either national. So it means it is domestic given. We have to convert this domestic into national. What we have to do? We have to convert this domestic into national, because the first place that is net and it is also net here only. So second place we have to convert from domestic to national. Now if you remember the three basic formulas which I have taught you, in which we have learned that if we are given domestic and we have to convert into national, so what we have to do? We have to add NFIA, which means that net factor income from abroad. So in order to convert this domestic to national, we have to add what? NFIA, net factor income from abroad. Now just check the third term, that is product. Product means income only, same thing. Next, which is same only. Now next is what? MP is given here, and we have to convert into what? We have to convert into FC. We have to convert into FC. Now in order to convert MP into FC, what we need to put? Now we are having MP and we have to convert into FC, means we are having market price and we have to convert into factor cost. So we have to subtract net indirect tax, which is known as NIT. So it means we have to subtract here what? NIT, net indirect tax. Now we have to check what is given to us. Net indirect tax is already given directly, so we don't need to find out anything here. But we have to find out what? NFIA. What we have to find out? NFIA, net factor income from abroad. And what is given to us? Factor income paid to abroad and factor income received from abroad. Now there is one more formula for this. In order to find out net factor income from abroad, we need to subtract net factor income paid to abroad from net factor income received from abroad. So how much we have received from abroad? 40. From that we will subtract what? 25. So what we will get? We will get our NFIA. So let's solve this question. What is given to us? NDP at MP, that is 900 rupees. So we will write this one, NDP at MP plus NFIA and minus NIT. So NDP at MP was given 900 crore. So we have written 900 plus NFIA. As I told you, we have to find out NFIA how? From income received to minus what? Income paid. So 40, that is this one, factor income received from abroad, minus what? Factor income paid to abroad, minus 25. So what it becomes? It will become NFIA. Now minus NIT, it was given directly 400. So minus 400. The 900 plus 40 minus 25, it becomes 15, and minus 400. 900 plus 15, 915 minus 400, it becomes rupees 515, or you can say 515 crores. I hope it is clear to you. This is NPFC, is also known as national income. So next move to our second question. Now just check the second question. From the following data, estimate, or you can say calculate net indirect taxes and net domestic product at factor cost. Now net domestic product, it means we have to find out NDP, net domestic product, at what factor cost, yani at FC. This thing we have to find out. And what we have to find out? NIT, net indirect tax, also we have to find out. So let's see how we will find out. First just check what items are given to us. We were given net national product. It means net national product means NNP at market price. What is given? Net national product at market price was given 1400 crore. Net factor income from abroad. Okay, how much? Minus 20. So it is directly given what? Net factor from abroad means that an FIE only given. Okay, because it is not given paid and received here. So directly it was given net factor income from abroad. So we can write as NFIA was given us how much? Minus 20. Then gross national product at factor cost. Now gross we can write G national product at factor cost. So GNP at FC is given how much? 1300 crore. And at last, consumption of fixed capital is what? It is known as depreciation. Don't forget, this is the other name of depreciation. So how much depreciation? 100 crore. And at last, national debt interest, that is 18 crore. Now see which things we needed here. So first pay attention that what we have to find out. We have to find out here net indirect tax. This is the first part, because two parts we have to find out. First, so just check the A part here. We have to find out net indirect taxes. Now we know that market price equals to factor cost plus NIT. Now if you're getting confused from where this formula came, just look at here. We know that market price, if we are having market price and we have to convert into factor cost, so what we will do? We will subtract NIT from that. From whom? From market price. You can see this arrow is going upside. So if we subtract NIT from market price, so what we will get? FC. So same thing I have written here only. If we are having market price, so what we can, how we can find out market price? By adding NIT into factor cost. So from the same formula we can find out the NIT. NIT we will keep it here only, and what we will do? We will transfer this factor cost from right hand side to left hand side. So what will happen? It will subtract from MP. So MP was there already. We will take this one from here to here. So what will happen? It becomes minus FC. So MP minus FC becomes what? NIT. What it becomes? Net indirect tax. So how we can find out this one? Now what we are having in the question, just check properly. Net national product, yani NNP at MP. And NNP at MP is already with us in the question. And what we are having? We are having GNP at FC. What we are having? GNP at FC. Okay. So in order to convert this, in order to find this NIT, first we have to change this all units into same thing. Now as you can see, we were given NNP at MP and GNP at FC. So first we need to convert this G into what? Into N only. We have to convert this G into N only. So how we can convert? If we are having net and if we are having net and what we want, if we are having gross and we want to convert this gross into net, so what we should do? We should subtract what? Depreciation. Again pay attention, if we are having gross and we want to convert this G or gross into net, so we need to subtract depreciation. So you can see this one also here formula written. I have already written here. So from GNP to FC, what we subtract? Depreciation, so that we can find out, we can convert this G into net only. So we subtract from 1400 is net national product minus 1300 minus 100. So what becomes? 1200. So 1400 minus 1200, it becomes 200. And that is only what? Our NIT, net indirect tax, because it is what? It is MP minus FC. It was given at market price, it was given at factor cost. Just we need to convert this gross into net only. So we have converted this gross into net and then we have subtracted. So what we get? 200 crore as our what? NIT. Clear? Now move to second part. In second part, what they are asking to find out, They're asking to find out net domestic product means NDP at FC. What they're asking, NDP at FC. Once again, just check what is given to us. We were given NNP at MP, so we will convert this NNP at MP to NDP at FC. Just check here. We were given NNP at MP. What we were given? NNP at MP, and we need to convert into NDP at FC because we need to find out NNDP at FC. So what we need to find out? First, we have to convert this N into D, which means that we need to convert national to domestic. Just check here, national to domestic. What do we need to do? We have to subtract what? NFIA. We have to subtract here what? NFIA. So minus NFIA. Okay. Then we need to convert, just see P only, MP and FC here. So it means we have to convert MP to FC. MP to FC. So market price to FC. So again, what we have to do? We have to subtract NIT also. What we have to subtract? NIT. So minus NIT. So we got our formula that NDP at FC we have to find out. And what we are having? NNP at MP. So from that we subtract NFIA and then we will subtract NIT. So here we are not learning the formula. This one we have not learned, but we have formed this formula by learning the basic formulas which I have explained earlier. That is these three basic formulas. On the basis of these three basic formulas only we are solving this one, and we are following the new formulas here. So NNP at MP we are having how much is given the question? 1400 we have written, minus what? NFIA, which was already given in minus 20. Just check here. So it was given question minus NFI, so minus, and that in bracket NFI was given minus only, negative term, minus 20. At last NIT, just we have find out NIT how much? 200. So minus 200. So 1400 minus it becomes plus 20 minus 200. So it becomes 1420 minus 200. It becomes 1220 crore. Clear to you all of you? I hope it is clear to you. Now see, they have given NNP at MP and they have given GNP at FC also. So we can find the same part with the help of GNP at FC also. How we will find out? Let me show you. Now just check. We were finding the second part again. Already we have found out the answer, but again we can find out the second part with the help of GNP at FC. Now we are given GNP at FC and we have to find out NDP at FC. So what we have to do? Again just check properly here. What we have given, what is not given to us. We have gross. What we are having? Gross, and we have to convert into net. So gross to net. If we have to convert gross to net, so what we are doing? Gross to net, what we are doing? We are subtracting what? Depreciation. What we are subtracting? We are subtracting here what? Minus depreciation. Then national, domestic. It means this national also we have to convert into domestic. Okay. So in order to convert national into domestic, what we need to do? We have to subtract NFIA. So okay, we will subtract NFIA also, no problem. Minus NFIA. Now product, factor cost. Other things remain same. So we got our formula. NDP at FC we have to find out, and we are having GNP at FC. So from that we have to subtract depreciation, which is given in the question with other name, that is consumption of fixed capital only, and minus net factor income from abroad. Now subtract this one, 1300. It is given to us. Depreciation was given 100, and NFI was given minus 20. So minus 20. So minus become plus, and 1300 minus 100 it becomes 1200. So 1200 plus 20 it becomes 1220 crore. Same answer which we got by finding with the help of NNP MP. So you have seen same part we have find out by two methods. So it's up to you. So I hope it is clear to you, and you will apply these questions to find out the home assignment questions.
At last, I want to say, be safe and God bless you all.